Bombardier Gulfstream G650ER sets the standard for performance in business aviation. With one speed record after another, you simply cannot fly farther, faster. The clean sheet G650ER offers a maximum range of 7,500 nautical miles at Mach 0.85 and 6,400 nautical miles at Mach 0.9, a speed and range combination that can save you significant time over the course of a year. Innovation powers the G650ER. A sleek, pristine wing helps increase speed, range, and efficiency. Fly-by-wire technology creates a comfortable flight. The streamlined displays of the PlaneView 2 flight deck increase safety and reduce pilot workload. The spacious interior is a refined getaway above the clouds where supreme comfort meets high design and innovation. With up to 4 living areas to work, dine, entertain, and relax, the Gulfstream cabin experience offered by the G650ER caters to every need. Manufacturer's suggested retail price, $71 million. Bombardier Global 7500. The Global 7500 aircraft stands alone as the world's largest and longest-range business jet. Within its luxurious interior are 4 true living spaces, a full-size kitchen, and a dedicated crew suite. Elevate your flight experience and discover the uninhibited freedom and tailored luxury of the Global 7500 aircraft, a new class of business jet. Featuring next-generation fly-by-wire technology, the Bombardier Vision flight deck blends cutting-edge avionics with exceptional ergonomics and aesthetics for remarkable comfort and control. Industry-leading 7,700 nautical mile range, a top speed of Mach 0.925, and exceptional short field performance unrivaled in business aviation. A wing that's a technological marvel, engineered for maximum control and agility at all speeds while delivering the smoothest ride. Experience the industry's most spacious cockpit with the latest Bombardier Vision flight deck on the Global 7500 aircraft. Manufacturer's suggested retail price, $72 million. Dassault Falcon 8X. Its ultra-long range connects Hong Kong and Paris, London and Cape Town, Los Angeles and Beijing. Its cabin, the longest in the Falcon family, provides more comfort and a stunning choice of more than 30 distinct layouts. And thanks to overall design enhancements, the 8X is every bit as fuel efficient as the Falcon 7X. The Falcon 8X continues Falcon traditions of efficiency, performance, flexibility, and comfort, while saving millions in total life cycle cost versus any rival. Once again, we are stretching the boundaries of what a business jet can do for you, helping you accomplish more. Totally redesigned, the Falcon 8X cockpit will feature a new generation of easy flight deck and offer an optional widescreen head-up display, integrating enhanced and synthetic vision for vastly improved situational awareness in low visibility conditions. It will also feature Honeywell's next-generation 3D color weather radar system with enhanced turbulence detection capability. While current airliners and even some business jets have cabin altitudes of 6,000 to 8,000 feet, the Falcon 8X keeps you at a comfortable 3,900 feet while cruising at 41,000 feet. So you'll feel better on board and less jet lag after arrival. Noise level is also low at a whisper quiet 49 decibels. Manufacturer's suggested retail price, $59 million. Boeing Business Jet. Boeing Business Jets brings the best of commercial aviation into the realm of private air travel, offering customers a wide range of Boeing products that can be uniquely customized for the private sector, business, or governmental sectors. The robust characteristics of these airplanes also provide an excellent value proposition when outfitted for the private market, offering larger, more personalized space, unmatched reliability, and worldwide support. Our customers put a high premium on quality, convenience, and mobility. Most often, they want access in the same amenities in the air as they have on the ground, including an office, bedroom, shower, dining facilities, entertainment areas, and more. And Boeing business jets can deliver it all. That's a better way to fly. The Boeing Business Jet 2 is an evolution of the BBJ family, providing a 25% increase in cabin volume and a 100% increase in cargo volume compared to the BBJ-1. The aircraft's long-range capability allows direct non-stop flight from New York to London, Moscow to Dubai, or London to Rio de Janeiro. The interior configuration could typically include an executive office, conference rooms, private offices, and bedrooms. In addition to staff or family sleeping or seating areas, personal environments can be created, for example, with a living room, dining room, a master bedroom and bathroom, or 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The interior designer works within an interior completion allowance of 7,030 kilograms. Manufacturer suggested base price, $85 million. Airbus A320. The ACJ320 can fly 25 passengers 6,000 nautical miles or more than 13 hours non-stop. The modern designs of the ACJ family mean that they come with more features as standard, including many that bring efficiency and cost savings. These features include streamlined, aerodynamically efficient designs, pilot-pleasing common cockpits, fly-by-wire controls that save weight and maintenance, as well as introducing greater protection, weight-saving materials such as carbon fiber, as well as time and cost-saving centralized maintenance. The ACJ's fully customizable interiors enable you to benefit from our extensive experience in cabin outfitting management for complete peace of mind. Our exclusive products give customers the greatest choice of wide and spacious cabins, presenting inspiring and infinite possibilities in creating unique spaces that offer the best comfort and functions. This aircraft cruises at 41,000 feet to avoid airline traffic and major turbulence. The aircraft is also outfitted with the newest generation engines. Airbus Corporate Jets offers the most modern and comprehensive corporate jet family in the world, giving customers the greatest choice of unique, customizable, and spacious cabins, allowing them to select the comfort they want in the size they need.